Why waste time in commute and spend lot of money for IITJE coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in IITJE? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success IITJE. At TeenEinstein, we focus on IITJE coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com.
Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about wave optics. In the previous lectures, we saw what is ray optics. So in ray optics, we consider light as a straight line traveling from one place to another. So we used to consider light as a ray. So since light travels as a straight line, we can consider light as a wave like this, which hits on a lens, and then we see how it gets focused and forms an image. So this is a study where we consider light as rays. But in wave optics, we consider light as an electromagnetic wave, because light is an electromagnetic wave. So when we consider light as an electromagnetic wave, we need to incorporate the wave nature of the light and understand the properties like wavelength, frequency, and speed, how they change when light moves from one medium to another. So all this we will study in this chapter. So in this particular lecture, we are going to talk about Huygens principle, refraction and reflection of light from a plane surface, the Doppler effect. First, what is Huygens principle? So you have all seen this kind of ripples form in a pond where you throw a stone. So these kind of ripples that are formed here are the wave fronts. So what do we mean by a wave front? Wave front is the surface of constant phase. For example, in the waves, if you consider the points which are in the same phase from the center, and if you join all the points, then you get a surface like this. This is a wave front. This wave front can be there in 3 dimensions also. In this case, it is there only in the surface. But what if you imagine a source at the center, and then the waves are spreading in all 3 dimensions, and they will form a spherical wave. And similarly, plane waves also. If you consider the spherical wave fronts at a very far distance, the small region, they will look like plane waves. So what does Huygens principle say? Huygens principle gives an explanation about how wave spreads through the vacuum or medium. When there is a wave front, let's assume this is a wave front. Huygens principle says that each of these points in the wave front acts as a source of light on its own. So for example, if there is a wavefront point here, this itself produces this kind of waves around it. So let's see an example here from F1, F2 to G1, G2. These are 2 different planes at a time, at 2 different times, t equal to 0 and t equal to tau. Let's see here the points A1, B1, C1 and D1, they themselves create so many wave fronts. And if you take the points with the same phase and then join them together, then you get another wave front. This is how wave propagates in a 3-dimensional way. That's why waves always spread, because every point in the wave front acts as a source of wave fronts.
Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer $40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com, contact 99402 49720.